Square tried to get through today, but this presented a huge buying opportunity in the trading room. Again, I'm going to just walk through this. The reason I do these videos is to educate, and that's why we just did the whole CPI. So if you can comment on what you want to see next, I answer every single one of them. It just takes a little bit of time. But this was my one level. This was my other level. Off the rip, I didn't get to where I wanted. By the time I started moving today, it just flew. Here, let me show you this. I actually tried to get in and stay in for earnings, but that didn't work, so I didn't have a really good position, so I didn't stay with it. But this was today, and let's just drill into this so that you can see. So you can see these levels right here, right? We have them drawn again. So all I want to do is I want to get to these levels, right? I want to see how we're going to act at my levels. So when I flipped this morning, it was risk on. And we put the trade on, never looked back. They're your best trades, the one that never look back, right? That never give you that retest back here. They just ripped. This just ripped, came back tested, went through our other levels. You can see them right here. These were marked previously, right? It's very important to learn how to draw your levels properly, right? See this? You know where you could get back in again. You know what this pattern is. You go from there. If you overlay that particular pattern with this RSI, I mean, it's like being hit in the head with a frying pan. It becomes extremely obvious that you may have a trade there, right? If you do this for a while. So whether you learn to execute on that trade or not is more mental. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.